buat si Tito Carlog nag-live siya. Naka, balikin. Balikin ako ninyo ha. Dahil makamataman ko ninyo.
This one should put green coloring, and this one has pink. Oh no, this one's red, huh? Yeah, this one is red, but it turned pink. I guess because it's white. I still gotta go pick up the Lambo. I forgot.
Hoy, ito kada nang gibalita karon nga eclipse karong April 8.
Mangyayari naman talaga yan, eclipse. Pero dili tinuod ng maligo pa mo kulang tubig dito to.
Hoy, ako magyap araw ba? Ano ba yan?
Oh, the video already.
Dapat gawas-gawas para
Video already posted.
Tibuok yan ko di mo kon.
Pastels the Yukon.
Ha?
Yeah, I think it's like Yucca. Damn, I forgot what I was gonna get. Oh, I was gonna get. Yeah, yeah. It's like I forgot what it is.
Noy. Noy.
Wala noy.
Is not there?
Wala.
My God, matala sa tiyan. Saan ka rin ako magpagupan?
Yeah, it's
Wait lang.
I can't think of it right now. Like I know what it is, but I just can't think of it.
Noy!
You're gonna wake up though.
No, he's over there. Wait, go
Oh.
get him.
Me?
Yeah, please. How I'm gonna get him? I have my...
Hey, cabrones. Go sleep. Go sleep. He's a troublemaker. Tara! No, no, that way. Bola bola. Yeah, it's cassava bola bola.
Mama, di na yung mama. Dili manghilabot ha. Ago, ito, ana. Dili manghilabot ha.
I think it's back, maybe. Oh no, it's not back. Bro, the guys didn't even come to work. I don't know what the hell.
So, di gina tinuod.
Let me go to the room. I'll go to the room real quick. Yeah, it's cassava bola bolas. That's what she said. I remember that part. Well, there's nothing. Oh man, I gotta go get my motor. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the inside of this of the. We left it yesterday. Let me turn the flashlight on. All this, it is, and then they did all.